Editing is hard work, but we're getting there. Ooh. Right, okay, door. Let's go and see what this is.
Awesome, mate.
Cheers, pal.
Have a nice day.
Just going to cover my address there, but this is a package that's been sent to me from Manscaped.com, and it's actually the first ever parcel that's been sent to me as well. So let's open it and have a look. Here's the package. Let's open it up. Thank you to Manscaped for sending this to me. Let's see what we've got. We've been sent some boxers, so thank you very much to Manscaped there. We've got some boxers, t-shirt as well, which is good. Thank you to Manscaped again for sending that there. And we've also been sent the new Lawnmower 4.0, their new 4th generation trimmer. Let's open it up and have a look. Right, I'm going to go and try on that t-shirt, so I'm going to change it. We're all kitted out now, and we're ready for the unboxing for the Lawnmower 4.0. Like I said, it is their 4th generation of their trimmer. Comes in a really nice and fancy box. So let's open it and let's have a look. And there we go. So it just pulls out and we end up with this really nice box just here. So let's open this box up. So it just flips open from that side, flips open, and there is our trimmer. It's really light actually, now that this is my first viewing and holding of the trimmer here. Feels really fancy and smooth. And you can just see there, press it, and it does have its own LED lights there as well. And yeah, we'll have lots of other bits of information as well. So let's just have a look into the box before we have a real good look at the trimmer. So it will come with your safety instructions. It'll also come with a quick guide, an instruction manual just here, as well as a user guide as well, just telling you how to clip all of the different blades and everything onto the trimmer. Now inside of the box you do get just here, if the camera can pick that up, I'm not too sure how well it is picking that up, but it comes with its own different size blades. For example, if you want to clip them onto your trimmer, if you want to add any of the specifics onto it. So just like that, using different sides there, things like that. Decent. Does also come with its own little charger port in there, which is USB, and you can just plug it in to charge the trimmer up, which is fantastic. So what I've done is I've created my own promo video to go with this trimmer, which is to run on my main channel JSGC, which is a Man City fan channel. So I'm going to play that promo video for you guys right now. This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, the premium global brand for men's grooming and hygiene products. Manscaped provide the best tools, equipment and liquids for every body part. They have been kind enough to send me the new Lawnmower 4.0. The Lawnmower 4.0 is a cordless trimmer with a wireless charging system, providing 90 minutes on one full charge on the lithium-ion battery. The trimmer has LED lights on the front to show battery life, and also on the trimmer for a more precise shave. Ceramic blades with skin-safe technology are provided
provided to help reduce nicks and cuts. 4 trimmer guard options are also available to customize your hair length. The Lawnmower 4.0 is waterproof, allowing for easy cleanup. A new travel lock feature is built in to prevent vibrations whilst on the go. So come and join me and 2 million other men worldwide who trust Manscaped when it comes to keeping yourself clean and tidy. Use code JSGC20 for 20% off and free worldwide shipping.
So I really just wanted to give a big thank you to Manscaped for providing all of this to me for free, which is fantastic. It is as part of a running promo deal that I've got with Manscaped, which is over on my main channel. I just wanted to showcase this on this channel because it's the first thing that's ever been sent to my channel and to me as well. And so I just feel like it's a really big milestone for my channel that I just wanted to share with you guys as well. And just wanted to give a big thank you first and foremost to everybody that has supported my channel in the growth and where we're ending up now with the direction that we're heading in. I also wanted to say a big thank you to Manscaped for providing me with this and providing me with the opportunity to work with them as well. They've given me, if you want to go and buy yourself a Lawnmower 4.0, or you want to go and buy anything off Manscaped, which is one of the biggest premium brands in male grooming and male trimming. If you want to go and check it out, then they have provided me with a discount code, which is JSGC20. If you just use that at checkout, that will give you 20% off, and you'll also get free shipping worldwide, which is a great deal if you want to go and get yourself a Lawnmower 4.0, which is just here, or if you want to go and get yourself anything else that you think that you may need, then do go and check that out. It's manscaped.com, and like I said, JSGC20 for 20% off. So there we go, that's been the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. We'll be back again very soon for another video. And please leave a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. You can go check out my other channel links there in the description. Promo code and links to manscaped.com also in the description if you want to go and check them out. And lastly, just wanted to say a big thank you to Manscaped for providing me with the boxer briefs, with the t-shirt, and also the Lawnmower 4.0. Thank you very much for that, and I'll see you all again very soon. So I've been JSGC. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day. Peace. Ciao for now.